Alright, this is Brilliance of the Seas, Grand Suite, tour of room 1034. Just in case you have guests that come, you have a little doorbell and they can announce themselves. You come in, very nice, spacious room. We were greeted with some nice gifts, amenities. We have our fruit basket, a couple sodas, some waters. They're not the Royal Caribbean waters, but we have 2 bottles of waters. And we were very nice to get a bottle of champagne. That'll come in handy. Very nice gifts to have. And we have a bottle of Evian water over here. We have a little nice bar area here to enjoy. Lots of little areas and shelves to put things. And lots of places to unpack. You have lots of drawers here. Lots of drawers. So it's much easier to just unpack your suitcase and put some stuff away. And then over here you have your, technically it's not a refrigerator, it's a cooler, and more places for you to put stuff. This is nice, lots of storage space. Come here, you have the closet with your safe. And you actually have 2 more closets here. For the life vest. A couple of robes to use. It's a little chilly today, so those might come in handy tomorrow morning. Big closet spaces, so that's 3 different size closet spaces to enjoy. And that's on the right hand side of the room when you come in. As you can see, it's a nice sized room. You have a sofa, 2 chairs and a table to sit down and relax or enjoy company. I'll take you in here to the bathroom. Nice size bathroom. Come in here, of course the biggest thing, 2 nice sinks. So you and your guest, whoever you're traveling with, can both get ready at the same time. And of course the great feature here is you have both a bathtub and you have shower, stand-in shower. You have great amenities. So you have your body wash, your shampoo, and your conditioner. And again, lots of areas, drawers to unpack. And the mirrors also open up where you can unpack. I do want to point out one thing. This little lip, and I'll try to get at it from another angle. There's a bit of a step down. So let me get to another angle here. There is a bit of a step down. They put a little reflective tape there to help you, I guess, in the middle of the night. But you do have a step up and a step down. And I do see that when you get into the bathtub, that is a big step up and over to the bathtub, and a big step up and over out of the bathtub. Just a couple little minor things to show you. said, beautiful area here to sit and relax. Now the coffee maker is over here. On some other ships, in the Grand Suite, the coffee maker will be up there on the bar. In this particular room on this particular ship of Brilliance of the Seas, the coffee maker is here. Again with the little packets of coffee. Like a little espresso. And again, instead of the TV being here in the middle, as in some of the other Grand Suites of the rooms, we have the TV over here. So this is good. Again, looking through everything. All our welcome papers, all the papers to read, and of course the mask, Royal Caribbean mask, and the sanitizer. Nice area here to get ready. Nice area with the mirrors, especially if you want to sit down with the makeup mirror and put your makeup on here. It's a great place to sit, or to put your laptop, maybe send some emails. It's a great place to sit, and again, lots of places, lots of drawers to put things, a little bit of a shelf there, as you can see. And of course the mirrors to open up so you have spaces behind the mirrors to put things. Nightstand, again, more places to put things. Nice king size bed. Again, more of our welcome aboard papers. Another nightstand on this side. You can see the room is very nice. Lots of room here for this Grand Suite on Brilliance of the Seas. We'll take a look out here. This is our balcony. Nice size balcony. Two big windows here for the balcony. Now we are sailing out of Tampa, Florida today on Brilliance of the Seas, so there will be some noise as we open things up. We're on the port side here. So you can see quite busy here as we all get ready to leave. It's a beautiful day down here in Tampa. Nice, sunny, beautiful day. But here's the terminal. This is Cruise Terminal 3. And as you can see over there, and maybe I can zoom in just a little bit. As we zoom in just a little bit, that is the Serenade of the Seas. I believe the Serenade of the Seas is in Cruise Terminal number 2. See that a little bit. But this is our terminal, Cruise Terminal number 3, in case you ever come down to Tampa. The parking garage is right across the street over there. I'm looking at it right now. The parking garage for the cruise terminal is right there. And you just park in there and walk on over. For those that want to leave their car. And you could have drop-off service. You drop off your luggage. And you drive around. And you just drive up to the intersection there. And drive back around to the parking garage and go park your car. And again, this balcony is nice. I have a nice lounger here. You have quite the overhang here. Now, you don't get this on some of the other ships, but you have quite the overhang, so you're not going to get all the same amount of sun as you would on some of the other ships on your balcony here. That can actually be a good thing if you'd like to come out here in the middle of the afternoon, take a nap and enjoy the ocean breeze, or sit here and read. So you do have a nice overhang here, and you can see looking down further. You have a great 2 chairs and a table. Nice to just come out here in the morning, enjoy your coffee. That's it. This is the Grand Suite, room 1034 on Brilliance of the Seas out of Tampa.